Well, hi everybody, and welcome to another Happy Travellers vlog. We thought we'd show you a little bit of the scenery from above. So here's a bit of drone footage.
Yeah, we haven't used the drone for ages, have we?
No, we haven't.
We forgot about. I think we forgot about it, didn't we? Yeah.
Well, it's a bit of a pain to get out and use. If you're not using it all the time, it can be a bit of a, is it going to work? Do I need to update the software? Anyway.
Yeah.
Here comes that little bit of footage.
Spanish countryside, isn't it? Enjoyed that footage. I enjoyed it. I like to see things from above. Great.
That's been, that's been a nice sort of bit of a time out for us. So we hope you have enjoyed that. Please give us a thumbs up if you have.
Yes.
And don't forget to subscribe if you want to keep on following our adventure as we travel around the UK and Europe, living full time in our Auto Trail Comanche. We'll see you again next time. Bye bye for now.
Thank you very much for watching, everyone, and thanks for your comments. Bye bye. Take care. Bye.